Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
On the left, we have the 70mm Dash Cam M300, and on the right, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam.
Let's dive right into it.
We all know how important it is to have a dash cam that captures clear footage. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 boasts a 3-megapixel camera that records in 2304 by 1296 PHD resolution, providing almost 1.5 times clearer footage than standard 1080p dash cams. It's perfect for capturing license plates and road signs with ease. Now let's talk about battery life. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 doesn't have a built-in battery, which means it relies on your car's power supply. It's a convenient setup, as you don't have to worry about charging it separately.
Let's move on to connectivity.
The 70mm Dash Cam M300 doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi, which means you can't connect it to your smartphone directly. However, it does offer an easy-to-use interface for accessing your recorded footage. Now let's talk about some extra features that make these dash cams stand out. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 comes with 3D noise reduction and WDR technology.
This ensures clear and smooth image quality even in low light conditions. Plus, it has a built-in G sensor for parking monitoring, so you can keep an eye on your vehicle even when you're away.
Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 comes in at a budget-friendly price of just $59.
It's a great option for those who want a reliable dash cam without breaking the bank.
The 70mm Dash Cam M300 offers superior video quality, smart features, a compact design, ease of installation, and excellent value for money. It is a top-notch choice for enhancing vehicle safety and providing peace of mind while driving.
And there you have it, folks.
The 70mm Dash Cam M300 and the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam are both solid choices, but they cater to different needs.
If you're looking for affordability and reliable performance, go for the 70mm Dash Cam M300. But if you want the best video quality and a wide range of advanced features, the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam is the way to go. Remember, it's all about making an informed decision based on your preferences and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you choose the right dash cam for your needs.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more helpful product comparisons.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.